Few all-in-one PCs rival the impeccable styling of the Apple iMac, but the Dell Inspiron 7000 all-in-one starts at $999, $1,799 as tested, comes close. Its star attraction is a 27-inch Infinity Edge 4K display, with bezels that are so thin that the pixels seem to drip off the edge of the computer and extend forever, as the name suggests. Beneath the hood, this is one of Dell's first high-end consumer PCs available exclusively with AMD's new Ryzen processors and Radeon graphics cards. Their performance is comparable to their Intel counterparts in the 27-inch iMac. That performance, along with a gorgeous display, make the Dell an excellent, even superior alternative to the iMac, although it's not quite as impressive as the XPS 27, our editor's choice for high-end all-in-ones. Dell has been making good-looking all-in-ones for several years, and has recently upped its game with the XPS 27 and its workstation equivalent, the Precision 5720. These machines each have an array of 10 speakers and glossy 4K touch-enabled displays that make them stand out among their handful of high-end all-in-one competitors, from the Microsoft Surface Studio to the 27-inch Apple iMac. The Inspiron 7000's appearance is comparatively more staid, though. In fact, it's most notable for what it lacks, a large bezel. The 4K, 3,840 by 2,160, display on our review unit has enough pixels to comfortably accommodate 2 app windows with room to spare, but it's not a touch panel, nor does it have a glossy finish that makes blacks deeper and colors more vivid. The silver lining is that the matte finish significantly reduces glare from ambient light in the room, and thanks to the wide viewing angles afforded by in-plane switching, IPS, technology, the Inspiron 7000 makes a great kitchen computer. Its 350 nits of brightness are plenty for a matte screen. Turned up to 100%, it appears similar in a casual comparison by a naked eye with the glossy screen of the 15-inch MacBook Pro, which sports 500 nits of brightness. There are 2 very large caveats to the Inspiron 7000's suitability as a kitchen computer, however. At $1,800, it is extraordinarily expensive for a machine that will mostly display the family calendar and occasionally serve as a Skype platform, and the immense power needs of the Radeon RX 580 graphics card necessitate a giant, awkward 330-watt AC adapter. The adapter is truly enormous. It's what you might expect from a gaming laptop with a top-of-the-line NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 GPU, for instance. You'll need to find a place to hide the square black plastic monstrosity, since you certainly won't want it taking up counter space in a public area of your house.